Question 11.
annuity due. Okay? So read the question carefully. Very good question, by the way. An investor is to receive a 15-year, so 15-year, 0, 1, 2, 3, 14 and 15. With the first payment, here's very important. With the first payment is to received today. That means, we're talking about annuity due. What's the difference between annuity due and normal or general annuity? I'll show you. This is a normal case. Normal or general annuity. Normal or general annuity case. They mention it to receive the 15-year, 8,000. Normal case, you receive the money end over year 1, end over year 2, end over year 3, 2, end over year 15. So you have 15-year equal payment, 1 to 15. Am I correct? Read the sentence carefully. With the first payment to be received today. So it looks like this. You received the 8,000 today. 8,000, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000 until not end of year 14. But here we go. So you received cash today to this point. Sounds good? So you also have 15-year equal payment. But your first payment here. You see that? The difference? So usually there is one formula. Annuity due equals what? Normal or general annuity multiplied by 1 plus interest. If you use Excel, it's very easy, but this is our formula. Okay? So now you need to figure out present value and multiply by 1 more interest rate. So let's start with general annuity. General annuity, how to calculate it? This is a general annuity, okay? Equals to what? 15 years, okay? Payment is 8,000. 1 plus 11% discount and over year 1 plus here 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15, right? Once you figure out this part, so sum of all 15 cash flow. Okay, so sum of this guys 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will be your present value, right? So it close to 5, 7, 5, 2, 7. We're talking about annuity due. So 1 plus interest. It close to what? Right? Simply state, once you deal with annuity due, figure out annuity and multiply one more interest. Sounds good? Good. Question number 12. Given an 11% rate of return, the amount that must be put into an investment account at the end of each of the next 10 years in order to accumulate 60,000 to pay for a child's education. Okay? So it looks like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, next 10 years. They should pay certain amount of money, right? Certain amount of money to accumulate 60K. They need 60,000. 11%. So in this case, we need to figure out our payment, right? Given information. We know how much money they needed. I will show you formula first. Equals 1 plus interest and minus 1 over interest. Okay? Looks like PMT multiplied by what? 1 plus interest and minus 1 plus and minus 2 plus until PMT 1 plus interest 0. Sounds good? We already know certain parts. So PMT, we don't know, but we know this guy. Right? We don't know. 1 plus interest, 11%. Number of a year, 10 minus 1 over 11%. Once you figure out this, your payment will be what? Sounds good? Question 13. Very good question. Okay. So an investor will receive an annuity of 4,000 a year for 10 years, right? So very simple. So it looks like 0 to 10 years. 1, 2, He or she receive 4,000. Right? The first payment to be received 5 years from today. So in other words, what happens? So this will be 5, 4. I will draw the another timeline. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you need to figure out the present value of this one. So you need to figure out present value here, PV, and you need to discount to today. Sounds good? Step 1 and step 2. Step 1. Figure out this. How to do that? We already know each payment PMT equals 4,000, and we just figure out, yep, present value, right? So PVA equals what? 4,000 divided by 1 plus 9%. 9%. This will be 9%. 9%. 1 plus 4,000 plus 9%. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 plus 10, 4,000. This will be what? Let me see. 2, 5, 6, 7, 1. So answer will be C. No. This is step 1. So you just figure out this one. You need to discount this value to today. In other words, step 1, your present value equals to this number, right? But step 2, this will be your future value. Step 2, this will be your future value. Discount this number, you will get present value. Okay? So, step 1, you got this number. Step 2, this will be your future value. So, future value equals present value multiplied by 1 plus 9% and 4 years. Right? Future value. We don't know present value, but we know once you calculate it, present value equals to 1. Present value equals to, okay? Again, step 1, figure out your present value. Step 2, discount it. Okay? Question 14. This looks annuity question. Annuity due, and this is it. Normal general annuity multiplied by 1 plus interest. Right? It looks right. 10,000 is invested today. So invested today, but this will be negative number because you invest certain amount of money next 3 years. 2, 3, 4. So you have equal payment and 12% interest rate. And the amount an investor will have at the end of 4th year will be close to 1. So it looks like we don't know this value, right? Our present value equals 0, but we know the cash flow. I will show you the formula here. So future value, I put A because this is about annuity. Present value interest and minus 1 right here equals to our payment 1,000 multiplied by 1 plus 12% and minus 1 12%. This part close to what? This one. Okay? So your future value of annuity 4779. But one more step. This is about annuity due. So you need to do one more step. 4779 multiplied by what? Plus 12%. What is it? It will be this guy. Right? Alright. 15. An investor is looking at a 150,000 home. If 20% must be put down and the balance is financed at 9% over the next 30 years, what is monthly mortgage payment. Usually we deal with yearly payment, right? In this case, monthly. Alright? So let's start. What is our present value? 150,000. However, 150,000, but 20% must be put down. In other words, we need to 1 minus 12%. Right? So actually 120,000 will be our remaining balance, right? Again, after this will be our balance. The balance is financed at 9% over the next 30 years. In other words, 0 to 30 years. 0, 1, 2, 30 years. However, monthly. 0 to 1, we have how many months? 12 months. 1 to 2, 12 months. So basically, yearly we have how many payments we have it? 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 30 payment. Monthly payment? 12, 12, 12, 12. So over 30 multiplied by 12. Overall, 360 payment, right? Why? 12 multiplied by 30, okay? And interest rate, 9%. However, this is annual interest rate. In this case, we divide by 12 because you pay monthly, okay? I will give a technique. Yearly, quarterly, monthly, daily. Again, yearly, quarterly, monthly, daily. How many years? 30 years. Quarterly multiplied by 4. Monthly multiplied by 12. Multiplied by what? 365. So this will be 4, 12. Okay? This is 1. So 1 multiplied by 30 will be what? 30. So your n, number of year or number of payment in this case. Number of payment, 30 payment. Quarterly, 120. Monthly payment. This is about number of payment. Okay? 365 multiplied by 30. I don't know. It's close to what? Am I correct? I don't know. But this is the number of payment. Okay? What is your interest? In this case, annual interest rate 9%. However, quarterly 9% divided by 4. Monthly 9% divided by 12. Daily 9% divided by. Sounds good? This is very important information. Now we need to figure out monthly payment. So read the question again. We already know our present value of annuity. This will be present value of annuity in this case. Right? We don't know payment. 1 plus what? 9% divided by 12 because we're talking about monthly payment. And here is supposed to be what? 1. Okay? TMT 1 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, 9% divided by 12. 2. TMT 1 plus 9% divided by 12. 3. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 29, 30, 31, 32, 1 plus percent, 3, 60. Okay? So again, once you deal with monthly payment, your interest divided by number of payment, 12, right? This is a monthly. If quarterly, 4. Daily, 365. Number of payment multiplied by what? 12. Monthly payment, right? Sounds good? So once you figure out this, your PMT or payment will be this one. Alright, 16. Given daily compounding. Here we go, daily compounding. This case, monthly, daily. The gross of 5,000 invested for 1 year at 12% interest will be close to what? Okay, let's think about yearly first. It looks like this. 0, end of year 1. Okay? What is it? You invest 5,000 today, 12%. This is annually. Okay? So your future value equals what? Right, 5, 1 plus percent, and number of year. Here we go. Now daily. This is annually. Annual. Now daily. What happens? Your future value equals what? 5,000 multiplied by what? 1 year equals to 365 days, right? So 1 plus 12% over 365, 1, 365. Okay? So this will be question 19. This is about loan amortization. Very important question. I will use Excel, but here I will give you one important concept. Once you figure out payment, payment consists of 2 parts. Interest amount, and then principal amount. Sum of these 2 amounts will be your payment, right? And these 2 payments or these 2 amounts have inverse relationship. Inverse relationship. One goes up, one goes down. One goes up, one goes down. Okay? Alright, last questions. What is the effective annual rate, EAR, right? Effective annual rate, EAR, for a credit card that charges 18% compounded monthly. Okay, so how to calculate it? So EAR equals what? 1 plus periodic rate and minus 1. So in this case, EAR equals what? 1 plus period rate 18% divided by 12. And our M equals 12 minus 1. This is close to. Sounds good? Good. Assignment 3 is done.